So we are here at Kitchenery HQ. We're going to do a quick demo of our wireless power transfer technology integrated with custom blender, doing over 1000 watts of wireless power. Currently, I have the system connected with my phone on Bluetooth. I'm going to send a command, set the frequency of the electromagnetic waves. So set AC frequency to 25,000 kilohertz. We'll do the honors of pressing OK. So the wireless power transfer frequency is now set. We're going to set another command to activate the wireless power transfer. So now wireless power transfer is now in standby mode, ready to be used. As you can see, in standby mode, there is very low power that goes in the system. It's prepping, it's warming up. And then you can press on the power, and now the system is on. Come here. The power is transferred through this coil, which is Kitchenery's custom developed wireless power transfer receiving module, receiving coil. It's connected to our custom developed blender. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your time today. This is Akshay Bua, Andrew Collier, Paulo Caesar, and our very new team member Luis.